Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access on the HP laptop. That prevents permission blocks when changing defaults. Once done, open the browser you want to edit. Edge usually ships with Windows, but Chrome or Firefox work too. Make sure the browser is updated so new preferences save correctly. Now navigate directly to the browser's main menu or settings icon. You're looking for search settings or privacy and services. This initial setup speeds the change and avoids surprises. Now change the provider inside the browser settings. In Edge, go to Privacy, Search and Services, scroll to Address Bar, then choose your preferred engine, save it. In Chrome, open Settings, pick Search Engine, then Manage Search Engines, add a new entry or set one as default. In Firefox, go to Options, select Search, and pick the default or add a new provider. Take your time to confirm the exact field names. Browsers update names but keep the same flow. Finish by making sure the system and browser default align. If the browser change didn't stick, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, Default Apps, and set your preferred browser as default. This helps address bar behavior. Then restart the browser and run a few test searches to verify results come from the new engine. If it doesn't work, clear cache and cookies, disable search-related extensions, then try again. If problems persist, reboot the laptop and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.